In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward a message in Microsoft Teams on both your PC and mobile device. Many of us use Microsoft Teams daily for communication and collaboration, and forwarding messages can be a crucial feature for ensuring everyone stays informed and up to date with critical information. Whether you're sharing an important update with your team or need to pass along a quick note to a colleague, knowing how to forward messages can streamline your communication. Let's dive right into it. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the chat or group conversation that contains the message you want to forward. Remember, this applies to both PC and mobile interfaces, so choose your device preference. If you're on a PC, hover your mouse over the specific message you want to share. You'll notice that a series of icons appears just above the message. For those on mobile, simply tap and hold the message until you see a few options pop up on your screen. Next, locate the More Options menu, which is represented by 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis. Click or tap on these dots to open a drop-down menu that provides several choices. Don't be surprised if some options seem new or different, as Microsoft regularly updates Teams to enhance its functionalities. One thing to note is that not all versions of Microsoft Teams will have the forward option visible. If your version supports forwarding, you will see an option labeled Forward in this menu. Click or tap on it, and this will open up a new window or screen where you can select the recipient. If you don't see the forward option, it might be worth checking for any available updates for your Teams application, as newer updates usually enhance features like this one. Once the forward option is selected, type in the name of the person, chat, or group to whom you want to forward the message. Teams conveniently allows you to simply begin typing their name, and it will suggest matches from your contacts or recent chats. This helps ensure you're sending the message to the correct individual or team without needing to scroll endlessly. Before hitting that send button, you have the option to add a note. This can be particularly useful if you need to give context to the forwarded message, explaining why it's relevant or highlighting specific points. When you're all set, just click or tap send, and your message, along with any additional notes, will be on its way to the intended recipients. And there you have it, a straightforward, user-friendly method for forwarding messages in Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide enhances your workflow and keeps you connected. Thanks for tuning into today's video, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to boost your productivity and make the most out of your digital tools. Happy messaging!